In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure field properties in DocuSign. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you can customize your fields with ease and precision. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll need to head over to the DocuSign homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so to access all the features we'll be discussing. Once you're on the platform, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Templates. This is where you can manage, create, and utilize your templates for different documents. Now, find the template you'd like to work with and click on Use. This will open the template in a new window where you can start making the necessary adjustments. Once you've selected your template and move forward, you'll see a Next button. Clicking on this will take you to the page where you can add fields to your document, a key aspect of DocuSign that allows for precision in form filling and data collection. With your template open, locate the specific field you want to modify. Click on this desired field. Doing so will reveal a panel on the far right of your screen. This is where the magic happens. This panel is the Field Properties panel, and it's here you'll make all your customizations. Once you have your field selected, you'll find multiple options to explore. For instance, you can specify if a field is required. This is especially useful if the document needs certain information to be completed before it's valid. Similarly, you can set a field as read-only. This setting is perfect for displaying information that shouldn't be altered by the signer. Next, you can add text to your field by clicking on Add Text. This is useful for additional instructions or labels. Following this, explore the formatting options to adjust the text style to fit your needs. If you're working with various data points, make sure to click on Data Label. This allows you to clearly label your data, ensuring both you and the recipient understand what information is required. Additionally, the tooltip feature can be used to provide helpful hints or notes that appear when hovering over the field. To ensure your data entry is accurate, use the validation option. This ensures that the data entered meets specific criteria you set, such as number ranges or specific formats. For more advanced setups, look into the location function, which allows you to set boundaries for field entry, ensuring neat and organized documents. For forms that involve multiple collaborators, you can enable the collaboration setting. And if you're dealing with conditional scenarios, the conditional fields option is invaluable for displaying or hiding fields based on other inputs. Once you have made all your customizations, you can save as custom field to apply your configurations to future documents swiftly, or if they are no longer needed, simply click on Delete. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to configuring field properties in DocuSign. Following these steps will empower you to design more efficient and tailored documents meeting all of your form-filling needs. Happy configuring!